Hello and welcome to the GDSlab version 2024 5.1.2 running an odometer test. In this video we will cover two key stages of an odometer test, swelling and incremental loading. So first, let's look at the swelling stage. This stage might be used at the beginning of an odometer test to log parameters while holding the sample height at constant. This helps measure if the sample tries to swell by sucking water, indicated by an increase in load. So let's demonstrate the swelling stage. So first you need to make sure you've created a new test and select the swelling as the test module. You cannot set anything to be controlled, but it will hold a sample at constant at whatever it is at the start of the stage and then log the other parameters as it keeps the displacement constant. So to see that in action, let's start the test. The system will maintain the displacement and log the changes in load or stress. And it's as simple as that. That is how to do a swelling stage. Then I'm going to explain incremental loading. So after the initial swelling, we apply a certain load to the sample and maintain it until the sample stabilizes. This process is repeated with increasing loads to observe how the sample compresses over time. So to do this, we need to select incremental loading as the test module, and then we've actually got parameters we can set now. So we can use increments of loading. So I'm going to set it to 5 and then go 100, 200, 300, then 200 and 100. And it will go for 24 hours, which is 1,440 minutes.
But alternatively, you can also use the automatic detection of end of primary consolidation, of which it may move on to the next stage automatically. You also have the option to delay automated transition until next log time major access interval. Anyway, I'm going to untick that because I'm not going to use that in this example, and click apply and go and start the test.
And then the system will apply the first increment and maintain it for a specified time, and then move on to the next increment automatically, or you can press the next stage to jump to the next increment you set. And this process continues until all the increments are applied and logged, and then that will be the end. So that's that. This has been how to run an odometer test with swelling and incremental loading stages. Thank you.